Alright, this is our final piece to build. This is a divider that runs perpendicular to the dowel rods, so I called it our vertical divider, and you notice that it's got holes in it, and those are through holes so that dowels can run through them. And these notches or dados are on the top opposite where they were on the horizontal, so they're going to fit together. Alright, so overall dimensions are 3.75 by 1 inch, and again a 1/4 inch thick, and these are going to fit in these dados right here. So we're going to start a new sketch, and we can fit all of our geometry in this vertical plane. So I'm going to start that sketch right there on that face basically, and I think it's probably helpful to get rid of the dowel and the spinner and the other divider, kind of hide them in the view as I model here. So we're going to turn on the 2-point rectangle. I'm going to start right there. Just kind of get it going. And we will type, it was 3.75 by 1 inch. Should be right. Yep, okay. I'm just double checking. I rotated that to make sure that that distance appears to go halfway here through that. That's called a rabbet on the end. This other end of the frame right here, right, this is going to go halfway into it because there'll be a dado. So it should go beyond this edge, but this is where the inside face of that frame will be. So this rectangle is extending into that area, which is good, but not all the way. Okay, so that is our overall shape, and then I know that I'm going to need some more rectangles, and we're going to have these notches. They are going to be a 1/4 inch by a 1/2 inch again. And then we'll go get the correct dimensions. So looks like from the outside edge we are 1 1/8, 1.125, and that's for both of them. Try to turn that so you can see the dimension better. 1.125. Alright, should be fully constrained. I think everything is black, although I've got the holes that I'm going to have to put through too, right? Those through holes. So I could, right, just use, this is a really easy trick, use the use project geometry and grab these circles and copy those circles onto my sketch. Perfectly aligned. So that projects them forward. You see that they're there. That's super simple. And I'll accept that. And we're going to extrude. And we got to get that little area. I need it on new. We're going to build a new part, and the depth is a 1/4 inch. Alright, see how everything looks okay? I think we look okay. It's on new again, yep. Okay, let's go ahead and bring back the other parts. Take a look. Oh, there you go. Hopefully you can see how those two kind of fit together. But it looks right. So the spinner looks like it's evenly placed in the middle of that space. And again, this isn't our assembly, but we basically modeled everything in position as it would fit. And so in the assembly, we'll just have to bring all these pieces in and then bring in more if we need more of them. Like we'll have to bring in a second end piece, a second side piece, 1 more of each divider, 8 more of the spinners, and a couple more dowel rods, right? But having these modeled in this orientation so that they already are in the orientation that they're going to fit in the final assembly makes the assembly go way easier. Alright, so visit the assembly video if you need help with that.